Hi, Jenny here. Today I'm in the mood for some muffins, and lemon baked goods are good all year round. So today we are going to make some lemon muffins. Let's get started. For this recipe we are going to need 1 3/4 cup of flour, 3/4 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons cornstarch, 2 teaspoons baking powder, half a teaspoon baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, 3/4 cup of sour cream, half a cup of butter, we're going to melt that, 1 egg, 3 tablespoons lemon zest, so we're going to zest this lemon, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, which we'll also get from the lemon, half a teaspoon of lemon extract. And then for the glaze, 1 1/4 cups of powdered sugar, and then 1 1/2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, which we'll also get from that lemon. First we are going to mix all of our dry ingredients into a bowl and get that good to go. I've set the dry ingredients aside. Now we are going to mix up our wet ingredients. So we have that 3/4 cup sour cream, our egg, lemon extract, and then the lemon we are going to zest. Zest and juice. And then we also need to melt our butter. So I guess while I'm measuring out all that, I have cut up my butter into kind of 1-inch squares because I find that easier to have it melt instead of having the one big stick in there, then it kind of melts in the middle. And so we will go for like 30 seconds and then probably like 15 seconds more if we need any more for melting. And while this is melting, like I said, I'll measure out some of the other stuff. Because we were zesting the lemon, I already went ahead and washed it because we're using that skin. Have a cute little zester here. So we will zest this, get about 3 tablespoons worth, and then we will juice it. Okay, so obviously you want to zest your lemon first, as you can see, so that you can get all of the outsides off before you cut it open and juice it. And a way of getting some extra juice out of your lemon is if you roll it on the counter a little bit, kind of get it all loosened up. Just thinking, I'm like, that's the one thing I don't really have. I don't have a juicer. Making enough recipes lately with stuff. I guess I need to get one of those. Just got my scale last week. That was nice. So we need 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. We will squeeze it and watch out for seeds. Do it the old-fashioned way. Hands work great, right? God's greatest gifts. Do so much with your hands. We will mix up our wet ingredients and then add our dry ingredients in here. It is not recommended that you use an electric mixer for this recipe, just because you don't want to overbeat the batter. So it is a very thick batter. So you just want to mix it until it's well mixed. And then we'll put it into, it goes into 12 muffin cups. If you want the muffins a little bit bigger and a little bit more of that muffin top, go for like 10 or 11. So also preheat your oven to 425 degrees. I know some people do that earlier than later. For me, I find it usually takes me a while to get the muffin cups filled, and by the time I do that, then the oven's ready. So I preheat my oven now. You can use a scooper to fill the cups if you have one. If not, I've also found that if I use a big serving size spoon, along with like a tablespoon, whatever, to help scoop it, if I get a good scoop of this and then put it in there, it works really well. I'll try the scooper today, see how that goes. Alright, I obviously needed more of a big scoop than a little scoop because I had like half my batter left. So I've said, I've kind of found more success using my big serving size spoon, because with that I know pretty much one big spoonful will fill my cup. We'll just finish this off. Alright, baking these at 425 for 8 minutes, and then we're going to turn the temperature down to 350 for another 6 to 8. Timer has beeped, so now we are going to go down to 350. And okay, wait for that. Go for 7 minutes. Timer has beeped. We're going to take these out and test them with a toothpick, make sure they're done. Jiggle one. Look a little light. Let's see. That one's still a little too soft. So we're going to go for another probably 2 minutes. That looks better. Yep. Stuff going in, nothing on the toothpick. They look drier. That one had looked moist before. We're good. We'll let them cool for about 5 minutes and then frost them. The muffins have cooled for about 5 minutes, so I'm going to take them out of the muffin tin and put them on a cooling rack. I let the muffins cool for about another 5 minutes, and they're still a little bit warm, but we will start making our glaze. So I measured out that 1.5 cups, 1.25 cups of powdered sugar, and then we need about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and if it's too thick we can add more lemon juice. If you don't have any more lemon juice, you can add water. So, see what I can do with, let's see if there's any more in this one. Oh, got a seed. And another one. Goodness gracious, thought I had all the seeds. Ooh, there's one. And 2. I see a seed in here. Okay. That's well mixed, but it's way too thick. So, try a little bit more lemon juice. Get some out, otherwise I'll do some water. But powdered sugar gets pretty liquidy pretty quickly. So you want to add your liquids, put a small amount at a time. If it gets too soupy for you, you could always add more powdered sugar to thicken it up. But almost there. Just a tiny bit more. I want it to have that good drizzle factor so that we can just drizzle it over the muffins. That might work. Alright, so take a muffin. Ooh, take a little frosting. There it is. Cute. If you wanted, you could also try to dip a muffin in there and cover the whole muffin top. Depending on how fast you're going to eat them, I think if you put the whole thing in there, it might make it a little bit more soggy. Alrighty then, the lemon muffins are done. They look delicious, smell delicious, can't wait to have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will leave the recipe for this down in the description below. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite muffin is. So, I'm going to enjoy my snack. You guys, keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye-bye. Next question, do they peel easily? Oh yeah. Yay. I've had some muffins that haven't, and then I've heard that you're supposed to spray the paper. I'm like, well, part of using the paper is so you don't have to spray. But this is coming off real nicely. Oh yeah, that is very lemony. It was so good.